Are you an industrial roofing contractor struggling to manage your projects efficiently? Do you find it challenging to keep up deadlines, costs, and team? Introducing our innovative project management solution tailored just for you. Our platform simplifies the complexities of managing your industrial roofing projects, from initial planning to final inspection. With user-friendly tools for scheduling, budgeting, and team collaboration, you can streamline your workflow like never before. Imagine having all your project details in one place, allowing you to monitor progress in real time and communicate seamlessly with your team. No more lost emails or miscommunication. Everything you need is at your fingertips. Plus, our data analytics feature provides valuable insights, helping you make informed decisions to boost your efficiency and profitability. Contact us today to get free consultation, or to know more details visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe our channel. Thank you.